Okay. S-R latch. Latches are nothing but asynchronous sequential logic circuits. Latches are nothing but asynchronous sequential logic circuits. These are unclocked flip-flops. As I told you just now, these are unclocked. Means there is no clock. Clock is not required. These are unclocked flip-flops. It is also called as flip-flops. That is nothing but a unclocked flip-flop. If the clock is same, that is a flip-flop. So if there is no clock, that is a unclocked flip-flops. And this can store one bit at a time. This can be stored only one bit at a time. So finally, latches are called as unclocked flip-flops. Latches are called as unclocked flip-flops. No need to design clock circuit for this latches. When you are going to design a flip-flops, you should use clock with the same latch. Latch, you understand, you should add clock is a flip-flop. That's it. Are you clear? So we can design S-R latch using two ways. The first way is using NOR gates. The second representation is using NAND gate. Using NOR gates, we can design S-R latch, and using NAND gates, we can. But the most famous one is using NAND gates. But even we are going to design a S-R latch using NOR gates. But sequential logic circuits, always we are going to use NAND gates to reduce the power consumption. Okay. But even we should know first, initially I will discuss about NOR gates implementation. Later we will go for NAND. Later we will go for NAND only continuously. Okay. Are you clear? Yeah.